strike that. Before a machine is ready to accept a sample from an individual, it has to be prepared, the machine itself, correct?
Yes, sir.
When it is ready to accept a sample, there is a certain procedure that the machine goes through. First, it will do a air blank,
Yes, sir.
and that is done to make sure that there is no alcohol molecules in the hose of the
It's
machine
in the instrument, yes.
or internally.
Yes.
After it makes sure that there is no alcohol in the hose the first time, in the first air blank, it performs its own internal calibration check using the alcohol solution that is provided by the KSB lab in Frankfurt, I believe, is the one
Yes, sir.
for Hardin County. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
After the calibration check, since now we have alcohol in the machine, it performs another air blank.
Yes, it does.
And that's to clear out any excess alcohol from that calibration check.
Yes.
At that point, it is ready to accept a subject sample.
Objection, that's not a question.
Is it ready to accept a subject sample at that point?
Yes.
You testified that the machine accepts about 1.5 liters of breath for the sample.
Yes, per volume. Before it takes the sample, you have to supply it with 1.5 liters of air.
So it tests the alcohol molecules on a very, very small molecular level. Is that right?
I'm not a chemist. I couldn't testify to that.
If an individual were to have any alcohol come up from the contents of their stomach, how would that affect the test?
Well, if you belched or something like that, I mean, you would get the alcohol content that's in your stomach into the breath.
And it would affect the breath result, would it not? By elevating it?
It could possibly, yes.
No further questions.